everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashima and today I'm too excited to take you to this villa tour, and it's just not the tour. I'm going to show you the end result what DAMAC provides, and I'm not doing this alone. Joining me today is Surbhi from DAMAC team. Let's go and speak to her. Hi Surbhi.
Hi Ashima, welcome to DAMAC.
Thank you so much. Finally, I'm here and we get to see after a very long time.
Absolutely.
So, wow, this villa, it looks massive. Now, let's talk about the layout, because as soon as I entered, I see the space just flows.
Definitely Ashima. So we have designed in such a way that it is a modern, open layout with the sunlight coming in. And of course, if you can see, there is a total of 3.5 meters of height that gives a very spacious look to the entire living room and the dining area. So Ashima, if you'll notice, we have given the full glass panel which will create an indoor and outdoor environment, giving you good views of the outside area as well.
This looks fantastic, because in the morning when I wake up, I want to have my breakfast with amazing views. And it's a great addition to the villa. Hey, what's this? This is the second living area?
Of course, Ashima, this is the extended family room wherein you can use it as an entertainment room. You have your television set up here, you have the sitting area here, and of course, while watching the television, you can of course have your meals on the dining table.
Oh yes, I have seen these kind of villas. Like mostly people in Dubai, Emiratis, they prefer to have those long majlis, but this is like with the modern crisp.
Absolutely, this is the entertainment area as well.
Okay, and the finishes, they are just top notch. I can see the wood, the marble, the flooring, everything is done so perfectly. As I see that this living area is connected to your open plan kitchen, and I can see there's a lot of storage also here. It opens like this. Okay, there's a chimney. There's ample of space. I know mostly housewives, they look for a kitchen with a lot of storage area, not just in the wardrobes. So I can see that this is your actual cooking place where your chef is going to prepare magical dishes. Again, it has a lot of storage area here as well. And this is connected to your maid's room with the ensuite washroom. So your maid, your chef, they are going to live here, they are going to cook for you, and they will serve you. Now let's go and check out the other part of this villa. And Surbhi, I can see the finish, the wood, the marble, whatever the quality that you have used is amazing. It's of top quality.
Of course, Ashima, the quality of the marble is top notch as it is scratch free and stain resistant. So that makes it, the maintenance becomes quite easy for the customers.
That's nice.
Yeah. Okay, Ashima, now let me take you to the first floor of this villa.
Okay.
But not from here. We'll be using the private elevator.
Wow, this beauty has its own private elevator.
Of course.
A masterpiece.
Please come, Ashima. So this is the first floor wherein you have the 4 master bedrooms with you with the ensuite bathrooms.
Wow, so all the 4 bedrooms have got their own private washrooms.
Of course,
That's nice.
yeah. Now let's go on to the first master bedroom.
Okay.
So this is the master bedroom with your attached washroom.
Amazing. So I can see that the toilet area and the shower area, it's separate here. You don't get it here so easily in Dubai. And what kind of fittings you have used?
So we have the Kohler fittings here. However, it changes with all other projects. But we give top of the top brands.
That I can see, of course. Now
moving ahead, this is your walk-in closet here, as you can see.
This is huge.
Absolutely.
And here I can see there's again a lot of storage. Well, for my wardrobe, I definitely need a lot of storage.
Surely. And now this is the spacious bedroom that we have here.
Okay. Love the color combination, the mood, the aura you have created for the bedroom. Wow, again, a beautiful view.
Yeah. Now, Ashima, let's check out the second bedroom.
Okay.
Even here, your full size double bed can come easily, and also you can look that even after placing the bed, you can have the space to move around in the room.
Yes, it's quite spacious. Otherwise, you keep the bed, especially in Mumbai, what happens?
Yeah.
You have so little space that you have kept the bed and there's no space to even move around. This
Absolutely,
is why
yeah.
I love Dubai. And again, this is with the ensuite washroom, correct?
Absolutely.
Yes. With your small walk-in closet.
Okay, moving ahead now, Ashima, let's go to the third bedroom on the same floor.
Okay.
So this is your corridor. Again, so this is the third bedroom that we have here.
Hello, brother. How are you?
You have the walk-in closet here, Ashima, and the ensuite bathroom.
That's nice. So you mostly do all, like the new community that's going to come up, it will have a similar layout, right?
Yes, similar to this, maybe not exactly same, but yeah, we will be somewhere around offering these kind of layouts and amenities.
We can discuss about this in the next video actually.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Phase
we'll
two.
make a separate video about this.
Surely.
Okay, where is the fourth one?
And now,
Oh, that's a hidden gem.
hidden gem. This is the fourth bedroom. Again, you can see how spacious is the bedroom with the walk-in closet, with the ensuite bathroom.
And the chandelier.
You can make this a little sit-out area here, and your double bedroom, of course.
I love the chandelier here.
Yes.
It's pretty. Can I take it? Is it allowed to take something?
Comes with a cost.
Okay, now we
Let's
have
go
the
to the
top
second
floor.
floor. Yeah.
I'm using elevator.
Yeah, sure. See you.
Me-
Okay, so now coming on to the second floor, Ashima, here we have two big, good sized bedrooms, of course,
Okay.
with the attached washrooms. Let's check it out.
Now Damat keeps on surprising me with the layouts, and I can see this bedroom again has got a huge, balcony.
Yeah.
Wow.
So sitting there, you can sip your coffee in the morning.
Yes.
It gives you beautiful views of the community.
I'm gonna put some bean bags, and after a hectic day at work, I'm gonna relax there.
Absolutely. Okay, so with this room, we have again, there's a storage space here and then your ensuite bathroom space.
Okay.
So you can check it out. Okay, so moving ahead, we have the final bedroom here.
This is more spacious than the other one.
Yes.
And again, even this is connected with
this
the balcony.
is connected with the balcony. And you can see the natural light that is coming in actually in the entire villa. You can see
So,
that.
These are, I'm sorry, these are two different balconies with
Yes.
one bedroom.
With a single bedroom here. So you are getting the
Nice.
views of both the sides in this particular bedroom.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And hey, what's that?
So that is your huge terrace. Come, let's go there.
Okay.
We can have
I'm
a look.
excited.
Yeah. That is the most exciting part of the entire villa.
Yes. So you go from here?
No, from here we have a door here. You can come here. You can throw parties here.
Wow.
So it is a
massive.
huge area.
I can actually throw a rooftop party here.
Of
Gonna
course,
have
you
a
should.
cabana and
You can do small gatherings here, pool parties here, maybe an artificial kids pool can be kept here, or for
Yes.
different party purposes, barbecue. You can do many things here. So Ashima, we were
Yes.
talking about the party area on
Oh,
the
yes.
terrace. Now let me show you another party area. Come with me.
really?
Yeah.
Wow. So
This is the private pool that comes with the villa. Of course, you have the sit-out area and the small garden as well.
okay, so I can have my private pool parties also here. And a barbecue. You know to make some cocktails?
Why not?
So we can have some cocktails, barbecue party. I feel like buying this villa right away.
Please do that. Be our customer.
Let me close some more deals.
Of
Definitely,
course.
inshallah.
So, how did you find the villa, Ashima?
It is beautiful. It's stunning, and I just can't wait for the new launch to come. And I will keep the checks ready for sure.
Please, please, please.
But thank you so much, Surbi, for taking out time from your busy schedule. We have been trying from a very long time to do this villa tour together, but we'll be doing it
Ashima.
more now
It
in
was
future.
my pleasure to work with the Key Factor Properties
Thank you
and
so
hoping
much.
to close the deal soon.